In this tutorial, I'm going to show you where I get free stock images for websites. There are over 20 different resources I'm going to show you. Two of them I use almost every day for two different reasons, but I'm going to show you those as well. And we're getting started right now. So I have the free stock photo sites all open in the tabs up across the top, and all the links are in the description down below. You should probably save those somewhere because you might use these a lot. And all of these are free at the time of this recording and free for commercial use. If you're watching this at any point after the recording, make sure you check to make sure they're free for what you need, because these things change all the time. So as of this recording, they are free. And the first one is stocksnap.io. And there's a lot of nice photos on here. Great looking stuff. I'm just going to breeze through all these because there's really not much to say besides, hey, they're stock photos and they're free. Another one is Unsplash. And you'll notice as you go through these, they have distinct styles and different types of topics in the photos on different sites. Next one is Gratis Photography. A little more humorous, some of these photos. Negativespace.co. Free stock photos. These are quite nice. And at the end, I'm going to show you my favorite two in just a few minutes. The two that I use nearly every day. Picography.com. I use these other ones when I can't find what I need on the other two. I often cruise around a bunch of different stock sites, but the ones I'm going to show you later are my main two. MMT stock. This one even has videos, free stock videos, if that's what you need. Skitter photo. Life of Pics. I believe Life of Pics, they upload one per day or something like that. Well, so some of these upload just a certain number per day. You have like your daily photo, whereas others just are like a repository of a lot of photos that you can download. Death to the stock photo. Pretty dramatic. They do have some nice pictures here. This site has 20 new per month. This one's dedicated to food photos. Foodiesfreed.com. All about food on this stock site. PicJumbo. A lot of different topics. You can see they had to split up the topics into 5 different areas. You even get a premium photo collection if you want, but you don't need to. All these photos that you see are free. You just have to pay for the premium one, and you can't access them unless you pay. So all the ones you can see on the site, those are the free ones. If you think this is helpful content, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified when I publish new videos, because I'm publishing on a regular basis, and I create videos to help you. So make sure you subscribe. I am creator/free. Business, technology, health, icons, food, a lot of different topics. Some don't have very many photos, like education has 16. Nature has 1,700. Inspiration has 5. Occupations, 37. Recreation, 4. Cityscape, 1,700. So depending on what you need, some of these sites are better than others. Nas.townsend.co. New old stock photo, vintage photos from public archives. These are pretty interesting, depending on what kind of site you have. This could be a quality spot to get photos for your site. They're pretty neat seeing the old vintage stuff. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, or check out the Facebook group linked to in the description, where you can post your questions and probably get answers. Getrefi.tumblr.com. More free photos. We're almost there. jmantry.com. Free pics. Do anything. Make magic. A lot of nice photos on there. Kaboompics.com. I like these pastel-y colors on some of these pictures. They're all very nice. epicantis.tumblr.com. This is one of those ones that just has a handful. In fact, this was uploaded in 2017. Maybe she's not even updating these photos. Anyway, check the ones that are there. Maybe some of them are the ones you need, but it looks like no new ones are being added. Now my all-time most used one that I use all the time is Pixabay. I use this literally all the time. So definitely check that one out. And FreePic I use all the time because they have vector graphics for free. One of the only ones I've found with free vector graphics, like business cards, advertisements, all kinds of stuff that you can use inside of Photoshop and edit as a graphic rather than being a photo. So if you're looking for stock photos, make sure you check out one or all of those. They're in the description down below, and make sure you check the terms of use when you go there, because they may have changed since I recorded this video. I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below or in the private Facebook group. There's a link to it in the description down below. And make sure you click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. And next up is clicking one of these videos that popped up on your screen so you can get even better at WordPress. And until next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.